Here we've got Honor 7A, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first let's open the messages, then tap on a new one, click on the settings and then go to the more settings right there and go to languages. Pick pre-installed languages or all languages as you wish and pick the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, you've got plenty of them here, and let me choose, for example, Chinese. Wait a couple of seconds until it's uploaded here. And it's done. Now switch English off. Let's go back. And as you can see, the language has been changed, and now you can write your messages in Chinese. Here it is. And then if you would like to change this language one more time, just tap on the settings, go to the more as well and pick languages. And here you can switch Chinese off and then turn English on. But if you would like to permanently switch off Chinese, just hold it for a bit longer and then tap on delete. And as you can see, now you're back in English. Let me delete this Chinese word, and here it is. So that's basically all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change keyboard language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.